everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are new here, I'm Jamie B. Thanks for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, then welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my last holiday look for 2019. I did one on my last video. It was like a cranberry glitter look. So if you're interested to see what I do for today's look, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you're instantly notified when I upload. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I am going to be doing like my full face on camera, so the eye look may not be as in detailed or as long, so just bear with me with that. But I always feel like I do not give you guys enough like face time enough like face routine while I'm doing my looks. Also my hair, do not mind it. I tried doing something like cute, I turned out looking like I'm 5, so cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer first, and this is just Confidence in a Cream by It Cosmetics. I always moisturize before my makeup. Also, I have recently joined TikTok. I know that I put that in my description on my last video, and I'm just really excited because honestly I got it because my children have it. So I have 2 older children, not older, they're 11 and 9. They actually had me do it just so they could get like more likes and stuff. So I did that and more views, but then I started to like get into it myself and I was like, wait, I like this a lot. So now I'm like addicted to it. So if you too suffer from TikTok addiction, then please put your TikTok down below and I will check you out and give you a follow and some likes. I'm just into it. Like I find myself completely like just in a trance when I start watching it. It's crazy, super crazy. All right, so I am going to be doing a green holiday look today, and I'm going to be using a palette that is older. I had said previously that I do want to start doing like throwback palettes or makeup you already have, so I want to start that kind of with this video and then go from here with a whole series on using older palettes. So if there's a palette that you have that's older, it didn't just come out maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, if I have it, I'll do it. Comment the palette below. If I don't have it, I'll try to find it. If it's not being sold anymore, I'm kind of shit out of luck. So today I'm going to be using Through My Eyes, and this is the I Love Sarahi and ColourPop collab that they did. I want to say it was like a year ago. Honestly, I don't remember. It wasn't that long ago. And the color scheme that I'm kind of going with are going to be boop, boop, and boop. So we're going to get into that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Moody, which is that dark green. Ooh, it has a little bit of fallout. That dark green. And I'm going to go ahead and place it on my outer corner and just work it up a little bit into the crease. Just a smidge. And what I'm doing is just a circular motion when placing it. It looks a little bit dark, but we'll go ahead and we will blend that out with a transition color in just a moment, but you just want to bring it just in a tad. All right, so now that I have that down, I'm gonna go in with a lighter color, not a green, it's gonna just be like a transition color. All right, so I'm going to take another blending brush and use Sandalwood, which is right here, and I'm just gonna use that to smoke out and blend out that harsh green we have going on. And so that color will go to my nose, but not the green. This is like honestly a very common makeup look that I'm doing for the holidays, so I'm just gonna let you know that now. Like, this is not very innovative what I'm doing, but it's an easy one that you can get done and you're out the door and you still look fabulous. I kind of wanted that green to just come over a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna go back in with Moody and just bring it up just a smidgen. I think I'm gonna use my Morphe M330 because it's just a little bit more pointy. Gosh, there is like a lot of fallout in this palette, at least with this green. So see how I just kind of brought it over just a little bit, nothing crazy. See, so nothing crazy. That brown was supposed to like kind of drag that, but it really didn't do that for me. So I had to go in and do it myself. I mean, these shadows aren't bad, but I feel like the blending is becoming not as easy. I'm trying to remember if I really like this palette or not. I know that I really loved the colors, but I'm starting to wonder if I like the quality because it's kind of patchy. There you go. And now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmery emerald green on from the inner corner to that dark green. But first, I think I'm gonna lay down some primer just to make sure it pops. And I'll be using my Morphe primer. Surprise, surprise, I know. I just, you know, there are things that you just like, and you just like them. It's cheap. It works really, really well. So, all right, and I'm just placing that primer kind of like a little bit over the dark green, and if it goes too crazy over, we can always take that darker green and cover up over the emerald. So we're just literally laying that down, and this is such a beautiful green. Like, this is absolutely everything I thought it was gonna be. Let me know down below what you guys are doing for the holidays. Where are you going? Are you gonna have a lot of fun? I'm gonna go see family, but I'm not going anywhere crazy. Just going to my parents' house with the kids and my husband, and then just enjoying some super fun time. I go back to work January 6th, so it's like crazy because that's almost here, but I kind of miss work, I won't lie. I love being home with my baby, but at the same time, like, I'm just like, I'm so used to always being so busy, so it's like, meh. Right, so now that you have the green laid down, we're gonna go in and get some of that moody color again and just give it a tap and go from the corner and just kind of like blend it lightly over that green, the emerald. All right, and I just went ahead and zoomed in so you could get kind of like a closer look of how this is. And I'm gonna go in with that sandalwood color again and just give it a little bit more of a blend right here and down here into here. So the green isn't super pigmented across, because that's not, I don't want that dark green to come all the way across. Okay, so before I go any further with this palette, I am going to do my foundation routine. Not my foundation, I'm not gonna do a routine. So I took my earrings off because I am going to be doing my foundation and I can't get them on my earrings. But I also put on elf ears to get my hair out of the way. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is gonna be my primer, and this is Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. So now I'm gonna go in with my Becca. This is the Peach Backlight Target. It's a color corrector. All right, so I'm gonna roll up my sleeves because it's foundation time. So I did choose, again, a foundation. Like I said, most of the stuff, it's not new, so you probably already have it. If you don't have it, sorry, I'm trying to use stuff that I've already had instead of newer stuff. So this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and this is actually a drugstore brand, and I am in the shade Classic Tan, but I think that this is gonna be a little too dark on me. No, that's not so bad. It's a little more tan than I am, but nothing crazy. It's actually not a bad foundation. I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I did choose to use my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer. This is a little bit dry for me, but I want to try. I only tried it once for a review, and I'm just hoping that like I can get it to work for me, because it was expensive, and if not, then I'm just gonna have to, what's it called? I'm just gonna have to let it go. After I did all my declutters, which I will link either above or in the description, I've just been trying like so hard to use makeup I have. Like, if I'm gonna keep it, use it, figure out if I like it, like for real, or let it go. So I did not like this when I first tried it, and I want to just keep trying to see if I like it, if there's something I can do differently. Like this time I just wet the beauty blender with setting spray as well as the water. So, Now moving on to contouring and bronzer. Today I am going to do just a little contour, nothing crazy. I'm using a cream stick from Smashbox that I got a long time ago. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. I think I got it from TJ Maxx. So I don't usually contour, but I figure since I am doing a get ready with me full face mama, I would go ahead and do it so you guys could have the full effect. Alright, so now that I have contoured the face, I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm going to be using one of the Kylie bronzers in the shade Almond. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my setting powder that I forgot to put on my setting powder. Okay, so I'm going in with the Huda Beauty setting powder. It's one that a lot of people have. So if you have it, join in and put it on. If you do not, this is one that I do recommend you getting. I really like it. So now that I have that set, I will have to go back in with this bronzing brush just to kind of go over where I set. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with blush, which I'm using the ColourPop and Bretman Rock Super Shock Cheek, and this is matte, and it's called Stab It. Oh, God, I love blush. And I love, like, dramatic blush, too, where it's like, whoosh. So you get some blush on, make sure you have a lot. So basically, you look like a clown, and that's fine. Alright, and we're going to go into highlighter, and this time I'm actually using, this is the Fenty Beauty, it's a Kilowatt Foil palette. She came out with a long time ago, and I literally did a review on it, and then I never touched it again. So I'm going to try to use it today to see if I like it, if I'm going to keep it. Forgot my highlighting brush and all that jazz. So I'm going to go in with this center one right here, because I think it's like super, super, super pretty. And that is Stone Cold. Ooh, no, and it looks like really pretty, but it's kind of coming off super glitter like. Okay, we're gonna nix that, and I'm probably gonna give that away. So it's not like the regular Kilowatt, which is what I'm actually gonna use, and I'm gonna use the color Hustla Baby because I feel like that is just a lot more glitter than I want it to be. So I'm gonna go in, and this is an oldie but definitely a used goodie. This is the Hustla Baby. That's the one I'm going to be using, and it's one of my favorite highlighters that I've ever got from anywhere. Look at that. Oh, it's just so much better than that glitter mess I just had going on. Woo. And now that I've done all of my face makeup, I'm going to set my face. Alright, so I'm going to go in to my under eye, and what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead in with Canela. It's like this taupey brown color, and I'm going to put that all under my under eye. So I feel like it's going to bring that green, like pop that green out like really nice. Oh yeah. And I'm just blending it out. That's all I'm doing because it kind of was pretty harsh. Put a pretty harsh line under my eye. So I think that's super, super pretty, but I am going to go in and try to darken that green up just a little bit, the Mood color. Just literally going to pack it on. It's not really as brown as I wanted it to be, so I think I'm going to go into a different palette real quick. So I'm going into my Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to take the shade Rustic, and I'm going to just add a little bit of that so it looks more brown and less orange. It kind of took that orange out, which is what I wanted it to do because it looked like super orange. So then it was like green and orange, and it's like, this isn't even close to holiday. Like, get out of here. All right, now I'm going to go into my inner corner and place some shimmer. All right, I'm going to go in Lucido. I'm not really certain if I'm pronouncing that the best, but I'm trying. I love highlighting my inner corners because I feel like it really makes a look. Who doesn't? Am I right? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on and then I will be right back. Alright, so now that I have gone ahead and finished with my lashes, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint, Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored. This is actually one of my absolute favorite reds, and it just kind of has been tossed in the back and I've forgotten about it, so we're gonna use it today. Oh, ta-da! So that is it for this look. Basically, it was just a quick, super quick. I feel like hopefully I haven't edited the video yet, so I don't know. But it's only taken me about 40 minutes, so hopefully less time than that. But this is my super quick but my last holiday look for 2019. I wanted to give you guys some green, a little bit of red, nothing crazy, no candy canes, Christmas trees on my eyes, unfortunately. I just prefer to do your everyday makeup that you can wear outside. I mean, unless you wear candy canes on your eyes to work or wherever you're going, then that's cool too. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know down below what your favorite part of this look was, and if you try it out, always, like I say, tag me so I can see your looks. And I hope you guys liked me going back to like older makeup. If you like that, give me a big thumbs up. And as always, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye.